Ralys Skin Health Charcoal Microfoliant, the triple action exfoliant. Exfoliation is key to healthy, youthful, and glowing skin. Take about 1 teaspoon of charcoal microfoliant and massage onto the skin. A unique blend of fruit enzymes dissolves impurities in the pores. Activated bamboo charcoal absorbs into the pores, draws out the toxins, impurities, and dirty oils, and washes it all away. Fine microdermabrasion crystals physically polish off the aged skin. Antibacterial essential oils make this perfect for any skin type, including acne-prone skin. Leave on for 5 to 10 minutes, massage again, and wash off with warm water and microfiber towel. Important fact: stay away from products that contain salt or sugar for facial exfoliants. The granules are too abrasive for facial skin. It creates miniature incisions, cuts that later may appear like scars, resulting in uneven skin texture. Use the Ralys Skin Health Charcoal Microfoliant 2 to 3 times a week, or as recommended by your skin therapist. What goes on your skin goes in your skin.